Wave 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith with 31 Triple Dollar.
So guys, I am so excited because I was able to score some Trash Panda tickets for this weekend, but I'm a little nervous about the forecast. I know a lot of people are in this similar situation.
Is there a way you can switch those tickets for tonight?
No.
Yeah. Today is not necessarily totally dry, guys, but we're going to have a few storms, but tomorrow and Sunday, we have more storms to talk about. Let's go to the shoals right now, though, on the SkyCam network. Call it a mix of sun and clouds, kind of that filtered sunshine out in northwest Alabama. Temperatures climbing pretty quickly. Last check at the top of the hour when we came on the air, it was 85 in northwest Alabama. Likely a couple degrees warmer than that now. Look at that dew point, though, 72. That is soupy air you can wear. That also reminds you it is still July in Alabama. Summer not even at the halfway point yet. 31 triple Doppler, still mostly quiet. The only thunderstorm we've got on the board is down in Cherokee County. Not severe at all, and it's pushing to the south and west. So a lot of us look dry, at least for the next hour. But closer to 1 o'clock, we'll start to see a few of those hit and miss downpours that eventually turn into those heavier thunderstorms. Otherwise, it's another warm day. It's another muggy day, too. Your forecast high is 92. Factor in that humidity, though. It could still feel as hot as 98, maybe 99. So you still want to take it easy outside, even though it's not that dangerous triple-digit heat like we were dealing with last week. Any Friday evening plans, for the most part, look pretty good. We'll still have a couple of thunderstorms around through 7 tonight. After 7 o'clock, those storms will start to fizzle out as we lose that heat of the day. It'll be 85 degrees at 6 o'clock, still in the lower 80s by 9 tonight. There's one last look at that weekend forecast. Saturday, not a washout, but a 50-50 shot for those storms, especially in the afternoon. Storm chances are a little bit higher all day Sunday. Sunday's not a washout either, but regardless of the day this weekend, not only do you need to be on the lookout for storms just in general, but strong to severe storms as well. Any storm that we see this weekend is going to certainly have heavy rain, and given all the rounds of heavy rain we've had recently, any more heavy rain is going to cause some flooding concerns, especially in those low-lying areas. Something to keep in mind, especially Sunday as that front moves through. But with any stronger storms, typical summertime threats, gusty winds, 50, 60 miles per hour, and maybe some larger hailstones as well. Here's future radar. This update came down around 7 o'clock this morning. You notice through the afternoon those hit and miss storms develop, but that coverage is not quite as high as what we saw yesterday or all week long for that matter. If I had to pick an area with the better storm chances, it would be west of I-65. Everybody could still see a few downpours through about 6 or 7 o'clock, then we quiet things down. Looking quiet overnight tonight, and for the most part on Saturday morning, maybe a stray shower near sunrise tomorrow, that's it. As we go through the day on Saturday, closer to 12:30, we'll be on the lookout for a few pop-up storms, and then past 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow, it'll be these bigger clusters of storms that will pose that threat for gusty winds that could turn severe. So I would not be surprised if we had a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings tomorrow and maybe a few more warnings on Sunday. As far as the rainfall is concerned, get another nice dose of rain, inch to inch and a half expected area-wide through Sunday night. But we still got to keep a close eye on that flooding concern. In addition to the severe threat, take the time now to download the Wave 31 Storm Tracker weather app. You'll get those watches and warnings as they are issued this weekend. Good news is, once that front moves through Sunday night, it's not totally dry after that front, but mostly dry early next week.
Okay, we like that.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, guys.